Hey guys, I'm Denise. Today we're gonna learn some Chinese words containing animals but have nothing to do with animals. Let's start. The first word is 夜猫子. 夜 means night. 猫 means cat. Night cat. But it actually means owls because in ancient China, people thought owls look like cats, so they called it night cats. But nowadays, we don't use this word to indicate owls. Actually, we use it on human beings. When you say someone is 夜猫子, it means they always stay up late at night. They barely sleep. For example, 他是个夜猫子. 他 he 是 is 个 a 夜猫子 night cat. He's a night cat. It means he's always awake at night. The second word is 单身狗. 单身 means single. 狗 means dog. Single dog. When you say someone is a single dog, it means they are single. And when people are lovey-dovey, we say they 撒狗粮. 撒 sprinkle. 狗 dog. 粮 food. Sprinkle dog food. They're like sprinkling dog food to those single dogs. For example, 他们总是撒狗粮. 他们 they 总是 always 撒狗粮 sprinkle dog food. It means they are always showing their love in public. Next word, 辣鸡. 辣 means spicy. 鸡 means chicken. Spicy chicken, but it has nothing to do with food or chicken. When you say someone is 辣鸡, you mean they're rubbish because 辣鸡has similar pronunciation with the word rubbish in Mandarin Chinese. 垃圾. 他真是个垃圾. 他 he 真 really 是 is 个 a 辣鸡 spicy chicken. He's really a spicy chicken. It means he's really rubbish. But 辣鸡 is usually used online. When we are talking face to face, we usually use the original word. The next word is 拍马屁. 拍 means pat. 马 means horse. 屁 means butt. Pat horse butt. It means to lick someone's boots because it said that people used to pat horse butt to compliment this horse and to please the horse owner. So when you are patting the horse butt, you're actually pleasing someone. The next word is 摸鱼. 摸 means touch. 鱼 means fish. When you say someone is 摸鱼, you mean this person is slacking off at work. For example, 他只会摸鱼和拍马屁. 他 he 只 only 会 can 摸鱼 touch fish 和 and 拍马屁 pat horse butt. He can only touch fish and pat horse butt. It means he does nothing at work and likes to lick the boss's boots. Okay, so that's all the animal words for today. See you next time.